Cooking with
No fucking way. What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What
bro?
are you
what
doing?
Are you doing?
Are you
I'm
weird?
just trying to make some food.
Adult men have officially found their new Coco Melon with this. Introducing Cooking with Kaya. She's a content creator who makes cooking videos. Men love her. Women, not so much.
Cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya. Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya.
Such a weird world we live in. The Hawk Tua girl gets millions from podcasts, brands, and sponsors, while Kaya gets hate and jealousy from other women. The simple truth is that Cooking with Kaya is exposing many women, and she is not even doing that much. The fact it's even a serious conversation says a lot about modern society.
Cause baby, why every video you gotta show that body? Yeah, it's nice, yeah, it's natural, but it's not nothing to be like, hey, oh, all about, no shade.
Now this statement got the same energy as when the homie says something about the Mustang you see driving by while he on foot. If you're gonna say something about that dude's 5.0, you gotta have at least an eco boost for your point to be valid.
How insecure do you have to be worried about someone on YouTube that don't even know your man, or not even remotely in the same location as her? That's like some woman getting upset that her man watches D thinking that she will steal your man. She's rage baiting like a professional, and I'm here for it. I can't imagine being bothered by this as a woman. I just keep scrolling. She's really exposing how threatened a lot of y'all are by a random girl on the internet just trying to rage bait to make some coin.
All these black girls talking about cooking with Kaya. If y'all can't cook, that's your problem. If your man's watching that, it's a clear sign you don't cook for him. Maybe make him a meal. Black women will ride so hard for other black women as long as they're not doing better than them. Kaya is getting millions upon millions upon millions of views. They're talking about her on Twitter. They're talking about her on the Shade Room. They're talking about her in live streams. I thought y'all wanted to support black women. Y'all should be happy that she's over here making all this money and making all these views. But you're not. You're jealous. Look up all the videos. Look up all the videos of the black women talking about how much they don't like Kaya. She ain't did a damn thing wrong other than stand up there and cook. Let me get this straight. When it's a pretty black woman doing better than the rest of the mids, then it's a problem. The white woman's up there cooking and all the men are attracted to it, y'all gonna have a problem with it. Now it's a black woman, y'all still have a problem with it. Pick a damn struggle. I'm just gonna chalk it up to you can't cook if you're pissed off at Kaya. That sounds like a personal problem to me.
I don't think there is anything wrong with making cooking content. People be praising strippers and other dumb jobs that women have, but a woman cooking on social media? Come on, I'm an amazing cook. And when I had social media, I used to show off my food all the time that people used to ask if I was selling my food. I feel like some people are just hating because they can't cook. I think more women need to take notes instead of getting jealous and step up their game or their man, because there are girls like Kaya out there who will treat a man right and do what he likes without complaining or having an attitude.
How y'all have been talking about cooking with Kaya all day, I could have swore she did something just absolutely diabolical, right? Like just crazy, like she just wilding. So after about the 5th video I seen of cooking with Kaya, I'm like, you know what? Let me go on her page. It gotta be crazy. Like, it has to be crazy what she's doing, because y'all are complaining about it so much. I go on her page, I click a video, I watch the video the whole way through, and I'm waiting. I'm like, I know you heifers are not making a hullabaloo about this girl dancing with a plate in her hand and twerking a little booty. I mean, is that the worst we've seen on social media? Like, let's be serious, y'all. Like, are y'all okay?
This is my issue with this whole thing. If Cooking with Kaya is considered antagonistic, or a pick-me because of the comments she made in her videos saying that she would take their men, then why aren't these female artists that at least half of these women listen to, sing the lyrics to, and dance to, aren't considered antagonistic or pick-me? I don't care what anyone says. Kaya is a marketing genius. She's doing exactly what men have been asking for years, cooking for her man while adding a playful or seductive touch. Many of you dismiss these ideas until another woman steps up and sets the standard. Most men want their woman to cook butt naked with nothing but an apron. Fact.
Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
I've been seeing a lot of women say, this Kaya girl's not even all that. I'm better looking than this Cooking with Kaya girl. Why are you boys going so crazy over this girl? Like, you boys need to chill, not too much. Listen, come here. For all you women who don't understand why all the man them are going crazy over Cooking with Kaya, you don't understand, guys. You don't understand, guys. You could be as good looking as you want. You could be the greatest looking woman in the world. But if you don't have this kind of attitude towards your man, if you don't have this kind of attitude to where you're excited to do things for him, you're excited, just to be around him and shit, the energy you got, you don't understand, guys, at all, man. I'd rather take a woman who isn't as good looking as you, but she's got the perfect attitude for me specifically, for me personally. You get what I'm saying? Yo, Cooking with Kaya, I need the UK edition, man.
Okay, so I keep seeing everybody think pieces on Cooking with Kaya, but I have yet to see Cooking with Kaya for myself. So I went to her page so I could get my own unbiased opinion on her. And I started out with her Cooking with Kaya video where she was like, Cooking with Kaya, Cooking with Kaya. And then she turned around to show her butt. And I mean, if that's the kind of content you create, and that's just what you do. Like, it's, what I'm saying? So I watched the video. I didn't really see something wrong with it. Looked at the comments. Yeah, it was a lot of thirsty men talking about something, I'm nervous or something. But I ain't really think nothing of it. But as I kept on scrolling, I'm seeing like all her posts are like, I'm gonna take your man. You mad because I'm taking your man? I'm doing this for a man. I don't need a ring to cook for a man. I'm just gonna do it regardless. A man. Like, it's giving pick me a little bit, just a little bit. Like, please don't come for me. Like, please don't come for me. And I know everybody gonna be like, you just hating. No, she's very beautiful. I think she's really pretty and her body is so tea. Which, I mean, show it off, I guess. But don't let that be the only thing that you have to showcase. Which I guess she showcased cooking, but I only see 2 Cooking with Kaya videos. Only 2 of them. The rest of the videos is about how she gonna take everybody mad. So the timeline don't like a little bit of cooking and twerking. If you gotta worry about your man being persuaded over some food, I got some bad news for you. The call is coming from inside the house. That same house that your man is ready to walk out of. His foot is damn near out the door. Maybe I'm just not on the cooking side of TikTok because I never knew who a Cooking with Kaya was. But after all the discourse, I decided to go on her page to see what the issue was. And I come to the conclusion I still don't know what the issue is. Listen, I'm not the one that tried to start up any drama, but some of y'all sound like haters. I know all the negative Nazis don't try to congregate in my comments and talking about how she's trying to spread the narrative of being a home wrecker. If somebody can come in your home and shake it up like turbulence, the foundation was a little bit rocky to begin with. I saw a couple videos that said that her food don't even look that good. Newsflash, you ain't got to be the one to eat it. If y'all that triggered about a girl cooking in her own kitchen, then maybe y'all need to go in y'all kitchen and start whipping up some pots and pans. This is how I know that some of y'all be falling for anything. It's visibly clear, 2020 clear. Stephen Wonder can see that she's clearly being a troll.
If I were to say something like, make your man a sandwich, some of you would get defensive and respond with unnecessary comments, even though the point is simple, your man is hungry. Meanwhile, someone like Kia is leading by example, and instead of appreciating it, some women get upset because she's outshining them.
You know what I've noticed about women? When they do it, it's okay. But when we do it, it's a problem. Because are you forgetting that Duke Dennis glaze? Are you forgetting that Michael B. Jordan glaze? Are you forgetting that Chris Hemsworth glaze? Now all of a sudden your boyfriend finds another girl attractive and you're complaining. Forgetting not too long ago you were glazing next celebrity. But then again, some of you guys are too hungry. The videos you're making about Cooking with Kaya is showing exactly how cooked you are. Because how can you fall so deep for someone you don't even know? Doesn't she have a man? And even if she doesn't, you're living in the UK, let's be real, she's not gonna get with you. I don't wanna be that guy, but some of you need to stop begging it, bro. She's beautiful, but some of you are just taking it overboard. Like, clean your mouths, guys. Zip up her trousers.
Cooking with Kaya. I don't understand why y'all so upset. I just went on this girl's page for the first time and scrolled through a couple videos, watched a few to the end, and I'm genuinely trying to understand what are y'all on this hate train for? That girl's like, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya. Like, it's so cute. She's literally so freaking cute. I just don't get, why y'all are mad. What is there to be upset about? Jeez, Louis. I mean, I don't know. Cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya. She need to make some shirts. That's what you need to do, Kaya. Make some shirts, baby, because that is cute. I love the content.
The only women who has a problem with cooking with Kaya is the women who's not holding up their responsibilities as a woman. The only thing she's doing is what most men ask of their woman, to cook for them and to look good. There's nothing wrong with that. But those women who find this to be a problem is the women who feel like they can put out anything, and because this man loves them, he's supposed to accept it. She's cooking, which most men love for their woman to do, but most women come up with any and every excuse not to cook. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, I had a long day. Uber Eat, order something, DoorDash, do whatever you need to do, figure it out, eat something. I'm not your mom. I'm not cooking for you. Any excuse not to cook for their man, not to be nurturing for their man. And most women get into relationships 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years plus. They let themselves go. They get complacent. Oh, this man is going to accept any and everything that I give him because he loves me. Not understanding that men are visual creatures. But if that relationship was to ever end, that same woman is going to go get a new hairdo, go get a new haircut, go color her hair, go hit the gym and become the best version of herself for a new man, all to start that cycle all over again and say, I'm going to let myself go. This man just better love me. Not understanding that men love to see their woman looking good. Y'all only mad at her because she's cooking, which most people should know how to do. I myself know how to cook. And she's keeping herself up while doing it. Those two things are not a problem. Those two things you should want to do for your man. This is why so many dudes who are in relationships is gravitating towards this young lady. I've been seeing her do this for like the last 5 or 6 months. She do it all the time on Instagram. Like I would see it on my feed and stuff, but I don't follow her. And I'm not like, oh my God, cooking with Kaya. Like it just blew up on TikTok and Twitter and stuff, but it's not a big thing for me because my woman look good all the time and my woman cook all the time. So it's like, okay, hats off to you. But so many women is hurt because they seeing a woman do what they man want her to do, but she won't do it.
I can't even understand some of the comments under these videos. For example, this lady says, I don't have a problem with her, but I do have a problem with the pick-me's who don't understand why other women are upset about this. I'd also be mad about a woman so happily complying with patriarchy's standards just to make money. It might not be a problem for her, but it will be a problem for other women, especially for those trying to date. Because did you hear these men in your video? She's their dream woman only because she can cook and is pretty. They are telling you they literally want nothing else but a subservient Barbie. They don't see you as a human being and they have no respect for you. And all while they probably can't and won't ever cook for their girls either, and are truly ugly AF. And she's feeding into this, and so are the women defending her. Thankfully, I'm no longer looking to date, and as a pastry chef, I can cook better than even the pick-me's saying these other women are just jealous because they can't cook, so I don't personally have a problem with her, but I understand why other women do, and what's the bigger issue here. Don't be with a man who does stuff you don't like thirsting over other women. That's a problem with your man, not the other woman. Men should not be with women who are not making them happy, so they look at other women to compensate. People in relationships should be doing acts of service for each other, for example cooking, not just one doing it for the other because of gender expectations. The men who are excited about Kaya upsetting other women are trash. Kaya is trash for saying she's coming for anyone's man. Like, why would anyone expect a woman to be a girl's girl for a woman who isn't one herself? Besides her saying that there's nothing wrong with her videos, it's not unreasonable for women to think men want surgery on women when that's what they're teaching us they want. That woman who claimed men are telling us they want all natural and we're not listening must be from a different planet. Or she believes that men know what they're talking about when they claim a woman is natural when they clearly don't. I'm not saying no man wants a natural woman, but modern beauty standards are teaching us they generally don't. Also, does anyone know if Kaya is all natural or enhanced? Is there proof in either direction, or are people just assuming? Thanks for watching Man Reacts. Show us your love and support by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to the channel. Support us and help us spread support for men around the world. Do comment and share your thoughts. We're always up for a healthy debate and discussion.